A number when divided by a certain divisor leaves a remainder of 23. When twice of the number was divided by the same divisor, remainder was 11. Find the divisor. Okay. Now, in such questions, remember this thing that whatever operation we do on the original number, the same operation needs to be done on the remainder as well. Okay. So when the number was divided by a certain divisor, so when the number is divided by a certain divisor, the remainder is 23. Okay. Now, when twice of the number was divided by the same divisor. Okay. Now, because we are multiplying the number by 2, then the expected remainder we will get by multiplying the remainder also by 2. Because we are multiplying the number by 2, we are multiplying the remainder also by 2. So that is 2 into 23. So the expected remainder will be 46. Now, the actual remainder, if you read the question further, it is given to us as 11. Now, remember this very simple concept. Expected remainder minus actual remainder is the divisor. So 46 minus 11, you get the answer as 35. So option C is your answer.